Oh yeah.
Security as well. Hi. Yes. I think my ID expired, so want mobility. Yeah.
It came a long time and I forgot to mention of it. Yes. I just like talk about idea a while ago, remember? Somebody came out a while ago.
Oh, complete?
That's it.
Alright, thank you very much. Yeah. Want a battery. Yeah.
You see, me now, I know, because me I tell you certain place that when you born and when you go. Kingston 13 and Kingston 11 when you go and I tell you certain things that you come and tell me because you come, I know why you're not from it.
100. Good? Alright, thanks. Sexy. Afternoon. Yeah, can I get rat poison? One type alone you have? Okay, can I see what it looks like or tell me about it? Okay, how much is that? 235. How much in the pack, you know? 80. 235. Here you go, darling. Thank you very much. Yeah, man.
Yes, give you a small in the street tour, you know. Yeah, you can see walking in the street, show you how the street looks like. Yeah, as you can see, this is how the street stay, you know. Vehicles on the street, yeah, and still you can walk in the street, yeah. This is what it looks like. Yeah, you have to just check it out. Yeah, man, no doubt. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is a good look. Yeah. How the place situated and how the place set. Yeah. Frankie TV in the street, I get it exclusive on time, before time of the girls sometimes, so you have to check it out. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is what it is all about, you know. Yeah, no doubt. Oh man, as you can see, this cat, yeah, with a dresser. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, man, in the street life, no joke about it, no doubt about it, you know. Yeah, man. man. You can see how the place look. Yeah. Yeah, man. Said good, real life. It's not a joke. Yeah, man. Body in the street, up and about. Yeah. Yeah, man. This guy here look like he's selling some stuff. Just like that. Yeah, man. Keep it real.
Fire man, yeah, boy.
Yeah, you are kidding.
There, man. Oh, yeah, work, man. Okay. So everything good?
Why not so good enough coming up room for Wednesday night?
Oh, yeah, I see.
All of them put in the room. Yeah, and find
Oh, yeah.
come in, you run down too late, you know? Nothing funny.
Now, cornbread and me have something there. I don't know if I eat them today. I'm sure you know about it. Alright. Cornbread. Bola. What you eat? What are that? Cornbread. Can't take too much time. You eat the bola, take a bola, man. Take a bola, man.
And the bola you have to
yeah, me just buy it, man. Just buy it, man. Juice. Yeah, $1. So everything good though. You know, say I pass and say me stop. Cause me I say me wonder if you're good.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, me no good, man.
Me pick up, man.
But shit after I go on, but I don't give up.
True. Man, a good work you are going with yourself, probably. I'll set it up.